Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to unbox and review a budget capture card. It is a USB 3.0 Full HD audio video capture card with heat dissipating vents. The capture card is compact and exquisite and can be carried around with ease. No external power supply and no driver installation is required because it is plug-and-play device. The HDMI interface is connected to audio, and video input signals in the USB interface is connected to a computer. This is a very good alternative of Elgato if you want to stream your mobile gameplay. For prolonged usage you need a mobile cooler, and you will get similar performance of Elgato. Also you can use this capture card to record your camera screen, PC BIOS screen for making tutorial, record TV programs from set-top box output, and stream your PlayStation or Xbox games via a normal computer. I purchased this to record BIOS screen, and to use my laptop as a secondary screen with my desktop. Let's connect it with my laptop, and I will show you how you can configure it to record another PC screen with OBS. At first connect the one end of HDMI cable with your PC, which screen you want to record or stream, and connect the other end with the capture card. This is also useful if your graphics card is not very powerful for streaming. You can play games on your PC and can stream it with your laptop. Open OBS, click on this plus icon and add video capture device. Click on OK. Under device you have to select the capture card. Here it is named as USB 3.0 capture. Now click OK. You can see my desktop BIOS screen here. To adjust the canvas, right click over it and move to transform and select fit to screen from the next menu. Let's check video properties. You can adjust brightness and contrast from configure video, although I do not recommend this. You can change default resolution here. Select custom and then you can see the list of supported resolutions. Under FPS you can change the FPS settings. Then you can change color space and color range. These are useful for streaming only. Also here you can change audio source. So far I am happy with its performance. It does not heat up a lot, delivers consistent performance at 1080p. I would recommend this under 1000 rupees. I will leave the link in the description. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe my channel to support me.